Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mekhendra and I am going to teach you how to connect Google Tag Manager with your website. Firstly, you have to visit Google Tag Manager website. This is the Google Tag Manager platform. I have a website, so I had already connected with my website. So now you have to click on create an account and give the simple information like your website name, website name, which server have your website, like in India, like iOS, Android. I'm only targeting web. Create an account, accept it, and say yes. It may give you. This is the code you have to put on the head section and body section of your website. Firstly, you have to copy the head section, then go to the WordPress of your website. If you have a plugin like HFCM, you just click here, add as new snippet, give the name of snippet like Google Tag Manager, site wide, whole site I want to, in the header section, paste URL here and click on save. Okay, then you have to click body tag. Same thing you have to do, but in this you just choose the footer section and save this. And there is a also second way to connect your GTM with your website, theme file editor. Now you have to see the header section of your website. Like this is my header section. You just copy the URL here and paste it in the head section. Like this is my head section. I have already pasted the tag. Here you can paste the tag. And same thing in the for the body tag, you have to go footer. Now you can see I have already put the tag in the body section. So now you have to update the file. Then go to the GTM. Then see your Google Tag Manager is now connected with your website. You have to create an event by using GTM. Thank you for watching this video. I think this will help you